That's all Dika.
Oh, the beer, no, the China, the beer. Oh, Dika, when you're serious.
Why ain't you serious? Girl, ain't you serious? And I'm going
in. That friends no when you're serious.
When you're serious.
Can see.
Anima. I send me sure me so proud.
Sir. I did ask.
To say, my SMA keep it to myself, but my arm into me. Obejadi say, Stana, my new guy, I'm a
oh, yeah.
Say, my dating in your bay, my pain.
The real brother, and I say,
the brother. Stana, yes, say, Jamin Kodi holidays be or Mufi honor, me call ya. So say, Stana, near penny, I'm a dating a pain. Honestly, honor.
Are you serious?
I'm more than serious. Sisiano, me who the menya me hokra sisia. Pressure about Thomas soon.
Now, no friend brother, and I said a real brother.
And you send a cousin, because my cousin see you. Ne blood, one mother, one father.
Oh, and to say, what do you want to do? That's how we're
I don't know. She said the pressure pan about Thomas because me name the menias is here. Me name Samintum free fee on no more, mean to me soon gine.
And to say, you know, why would they now pay up Pestana and I send a brother and a day now pieces here because
the brother and dear say a past a swan, but stand on this here no nice. I can't no one seem to see how. And I, the brother and a cross of a source and me, baby.
Again.
Sister, what's the one to ask you? I just want my baby will feel honor, or person me that will feel honor. Sister,
do you know something? Sanka, me Beyonce, dear. Me dear, come here. I dream meeting me, dear, man, say, you better say, oh, be catches Tanan.
Beyonce.
Hey, what's that? Because Sanka Okoye no crank one sign and was up a sauce. I know what's na, as I know what daddy and care difference.
Beyonce, no, de Jaika cry. Me go can't rest, Anna. Semen any near penny at Champanada.
At the stand, I'll catch on is all your virgin.
Semen can't shine
very good.
Virgin, but I deal with me see them go catch Stana sending you a penny a famida. It's an abomination.
Abomination. Now abomination is stand and so na e bibia wi abomination na yes ye. So who person will protect it on better now what choose to the open. And one says Stana, me wasn't be no can. When him say when you're virgin, and then so my wa when him say ye brands and ye share ye. And nyame I don't know what she and I just explain to him say when who ne brother ne pain. Now say in a lovely way where you bema he will understand and say obe house na chinanko oba be pie so be lose your mienu nyina usa enti se nka be ti me dia ke ye better se wo be ka chester na ne mu and sakra na ne bra no wo refuse ne emasa no onu na di ka akoka ase wo ho. Do you get me? Enti se wo explain it to no na se we enti a why you wa famu die just explain to him.
Do you think say obetimase?
He will. So what pe won kwa dia obeti ase.
Because means me ninya na nsanda biem. You know, into the work I share me amate. Why?
Sana was away.
I will talk to him.
Talk to him.
I can't sleep around with him. Me to me.
No, so Friday. Ding.
So let me that biem.
I
don't know.
Or pe wan ko down.
Mami too.
Yes,
I think the me pay me judge is wedding.
Me okay, don't worry. Me okay. You know, say this time around, I'm did me okay. Don't worry.
Stana.
Yes.
Pepe, some new thing
okay. Oh yes. What's it?
Stana.
Yes, dear. What do you need? Feel free. Tell me anything. Fear. Aden, what's going on? Tell me.
Son, I'm sorry for everything, okay? And I didn't even mean it.
But if you have done nothing wrong, so I don't can't sorry to me about what?
It's about your brother.
Why Anna, why anybody?
He's my ex.
You mean Virus, my senior brother? He is your ex? Oh, hold on. So, I see. That's the main reason why I said, obey Fianum, Virus, I shall say, mommy, kind of attitude be, right? Even my brother make a son of Kwano or ye chicks, mommy. And what again? Yes.
Stana.
Yeah.
I just say, Bia. I don't even know. He's my ex.
You told me that. Yeah.
Say, I want to just tell you the truth. I want to be free. I want to spit it out. I'm sorry, okay?
But if you should have told me this earlier on. First time you came here, you should have let me know.
No, I should have told you. November na menya, courage be na menya, akukudro be na menya, ababeka chose me no brother, adeti pen. Stana, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Uni baby, say me sorry anopa. Na me hu virus enim, na me hu enima, na just say my basa. I'm sorry, okay? Didn't mean to hurt you. I'm really sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry, it's okay. I'll know what to do. It's okay.
Stana.
Yes, Queen.
Stana on him send me dopa.
Yes, I do know, Sir O'Donnell. And I love you more. You know it.
And him say you love me more, but I love you more than you do. Stana.
Yes, dear.
And him say, like, I'm afraid of losing you.
Why do you say this?
Because didn't I make a son say, bedroom maybe no, oh yeah, Bema.
Yeah.
Baby bet me about the boom, like baby bet me about the boom between you and I. Say bia, what dream bet me as a son, a woman home, any idea. And I'm afraid.
If nah, you shouldn't say that. So I said, there is nothing between me about between me and them. You get what I'm saying? And if there is something on way coming, I stand here.
Oh no, Oka said there is nothing between me, but Miss Mehoni said there is something.
Look at, if there is something, I stand here will make sure I'll clear it off. You know I'll do anything for you, yeah? For our love, you know it.
Then it's your brother. Stana. See, who feels so brother no? Your name is fiancé open once more. Huh? Do you know say your brother keep on tormenting me in this house? Do you know? And then I'm even afraid say one day cry no be to me I will baby. He can even kill you.
Virus, my senior brother, wouldn't do anything to hurt me. I know him very, very much. I know that sometimes, yeah, but virus, because he's my only blood left on this earth.
Stana, and Famo say he's your only blood. See, and you afford to me like Ninya because of something, Sikebi and Nancy, but this time around, no. Oh, yeah, my ex. No, my dating dependent, he keep on tormenting me in this house. When you said I no pay crown, or perhaps only me better. You just see, he came here, he wanted to sleep with me.
Afia, what you are saying, oh my imagine now, because virus just come in and sleep with you, whilst he knows, say, the junior brother, again no.
Stana, please wise up. See, me name the obey to me. I know what virus can do. Please. He hates you. Baby, Miss Shaw so obey to me, your baby.
Yeah. So, you listen, right now, what do you suggest we should do? Yeah.
See, right now, no. I don't want to lose you right now.
Same here. I don't want to lose you too.
And then, my best say when you are bear money, but beg obstacle between you and I. Just want you to kill him.